apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grass. H for hen. I for ice. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for moon. N for nest. O for orange. P for peacock. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tap. U for umbrella. V for van. W for web. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zip.
Thanks for watching Baby Learning Fun. We hope you enjoyed learning with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends so we can all learn together. Come back soon for more fun and learning adventures. See you next time.